Welcome back everyone. In the third and final video, we're going to wrap up learning about some graphic design basics by going over some tips and tricks that are useful both in and out of Canva. First, we're going to go over some Canva specific tips. One useful tool in Canva's toolbar is the Copy Style tool. This tool allows you to take the style of one heading and turn it into the style of another heading. To use this tool, select the text that you want to copy and click the tool, and then click on the box that you want to paste it to, like this. And now you have copied and pasted a font style. To animate items in Canva, click on the item you want to animate and click the three dots. Then click Animate. You can use any of the given effects to create GIFs and videos or whatever else you might need animation for. If you'd like to save an animation, go to the download button and choose your file type. On the left bar, you can find the Elements tab. In the Elements tab, you can find shapes, stickers, and other items that can make your graphic stand out. To use one of the elements, simply drag it onto the picture. If you click on the element, you can edit its attributes at the top bar. Here, I can adjust the weight of the line, color of the line, and the pattern of the line, along with how the line ends. While on the left tab, make sure to check out the background section. Here you can find a variety of backgrounds that will complement your text. To select and edit multiple things at once, hold Shift while clicking on multiple items. To undo something, simply hit Command Z on Mac or Control Z on Windows. Lastly, it's important to know how to edit pictures within Canva. To find a picture, you can add one by using the Upload section, or you can find one in the Photos section. For this example, I'm going to use a random photo that I found on here. You can edit the photo in the top bar. If you click the Adjust panel, you will find these settings. These settings can be found in most photo processing apps, including the one on your phone, typically. The brightness does just what it says. It adjusts the lights and darks of the picture, like this. You want something that is bright enough to see, but not too bright to where it washes the image, and not too dark to where it distorts the image. The contrast has to do with bringing the lights and darks of the image closer and further apart. For example, if you drag the contrast up, the whites get whiter and the darks get darker, like this. And if you drag it down, everything goes closer to gray. Saturation is how much color is in a photo. If you drag the saturation all the way to the left, it's going to be black and white. If you drag it all the way to the right, it's going to be way too full of color. This is useful to add color to some images that are a little desaturated. The tint of the image does what it says, it just tints the image. This can also be referred to as the hue. The blur performs just as advertised, it just blurs the image as you turn it up. If you turn it down, it sharpens the image a little bit. The X process is honestly something that I've never really used and you probably will never really use, but it has to do with how the colors and the shadows interact in the image. And the vignette is just simply this little black border that you can put around the image. And this wraps up my overview of graphic design basics from the Iowa Public Health Association. Hopefully I covered all the topics that you wanted to hear about, and if you have any more questions, please contact the email listed here. Thank you for your time, I appreciate it.